Hey guys, if you're looking for how you can download and install Python, then you are in the right place. Watch this video until the end because I'm about to show you step-by-step process to download and install the latest version of Python from the official website on your Windows 11 PC correctly. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, copy this link. I have provided this link in the video description. Now, open up your favorite web browser. I am using Google Chrome here. Then paste the copied link into the search bar and hit enter. This is the official page for downloading the latest version of Python for Windows. Now, click on this big yellow download button. And now you can see our Python installer exe file is started downloading here. It's around 24 MB file at the time of recording. Once the downloads gets finished, click on up arrow and then select show in folder. We need to install this file. Simply double click on this file and it will start the setup wizard. Let me close all other windows so that we can focus on installation part. Here, select Customize Installation option. Check all the options and click on Next button. Now, check Install for all users. And please don't forget to check Add Python to Environment Variables, otherwise it won't work. We need to change destination folder, copy the Python version and click on Browse button. Now, click on this PC and scroll down a little bit, then select Local Disk C. Click on Make New Folder button and paste the copied text. Then click on OK button. Now it should be similar like this one. And now we can finally click on Install button. It will take some time to install. It says setup was successful. Now we can click on Close button. Good job! Now let's check Python is working or not. Click on Windows button. Then type cmd, then click on command prompt. Here type Python and press enter. And if you see something like this, then congratulations, you have successfully installed Python on your Windows 11 PC correctly. Okay, now let's try to print a message. For that, type print, open parenthesis, double quotes and type your desired message here. I'm writing subscribe now. And now press enter. And it works. See, subscribe now is printed here. If you followed the steps in this video and reach until here, I'm assuming this matter has been working for you. So I'm requesting you to please like the video and subscribe to my channel. It won't cost you anything, but it will definitely boost my morale for making more such videos. If you are interested in learning more about Python language, then be sure to check out Beginner's Python Programming course at the first link in the description. Subscribe and turn on the notification so you don't miss more videos helping you to learn how to code and become a successful programmer. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.